Well, the bleeding edge is exactly where I want to be because I've worked in so many jobs where my bosses have said, there's nothing new in fashion, it's not possible. And I just think it's wrong. I think that we're on the verge of a huge industry change. And it's an overdue change because we're working with a platform that was invented during the first industrial revolution. So I'm really looking forward to what Assembly and Refashioned is offering. I think that it's an excellent solution to cut waste. I think it's an excellent solution for independent designers to be creative and make money on their own terms without taking the risks that are normally associated with traditional businesses and limit most companies. I think that it's also a wonderful way of designers to collaborate with end consumers, with stores, with people who want to have their own lines, with print designers or with other designers. It's an excellent collaboration tool, and that's really, really exciting for me. I love the whole mix and match element to it. And as a designer, I'd love to be able to offer my knowledge and my experience to build elements that you can put together and customize and pick between. And I love the interchange.